Welcome to Home of Math, Algebraic Equations. In last two videos, we already complete 1 to 9 Algebraic Equation exercise 2I for International Mathematics Algebra 1. This video we are going to start from number 10. Let's start. Number 10. Here is a divide a minus 3 minus 8 divide a equals to, we will find out the result of a. So here we can do one thing. First we can take LCM a minus 3. So here is a square and here is minus 8 times a minus 3 equal 2, right? Then here is a square minus 8a plus 24 equal 2a square minus 2a times 3, it means 6a. So here a square minus 2a square minus 8a plus 6a plus 24 equals 0. We just exchange 2a square minus 6a from right side to left side. Now here is minus a square minus 2a plus 24 equal 0. If we take common minus, so here is a square plus 2a minus 24 equal 0. If we multiply both sides by minus 1, so it will become a square plus 2a minus 24 equal 0. So this one we will make factorize. So a square plus 2a minus 26 we can write like this: a square plus 6a minus 4a minus 24 equals 0. How? Because 6 minus 4 means 2, or 6 times 4 means 24. So we can take common a, so here is a plus 6, take common minus 4, again a plus 6 equal 0. So here is a plus 6 and a minus 4 equal 0. So our answer is a equal minus 6 or a equal 4. Okay, so answer a equal minus 6 or 4. Okay, so number 10 done. So this chapter number of math is 16, but we don't know how many math we can complete, but at least try to solve 3 math. So now number 11. Number 11. N divide n square minus 2n minus 8 plus 1 divide n square plus n minus 2 equals 0. So here we will find out the result of n. So first this fraction n and n square minus 2n minus 8 we will factorize. So we can write here n square minus 4n plus 2n minus 8. 4 times 2 means 8 and 4 minus 2 means 2. So we can write minus 4n plus 2n, it will become minus 2n. Similar, this fraction in denominator we will also make factorize. So n square plus 2n minus n minus 2. 2 times 1 means 2, 2 minus 1 means 1, right? So here equal 0. So n common, n minus 4, plus 2 common n minus 4, right? And here is n plus 1, here is n common n plus 2 minus 1 common n plus 2 equal 0. Then n minus 4 times n plus 2, here is n and here 1, divide n plus 2 times n minus 1 equal 0. Okay, so LCM, the common things is n plus 2, uncommon is n minus 4 and n minus 1. So here is n minus 4, n plus 2, it will out, here is 4. So n times n minus 1 plus, here n plus 2, n minus 1 out, so here is n minus 4, right? Then we can write here n equal 0. So we can do one thing, once we multiply by this one 0, it will become 0. So we can write here n square minus n plus n minus 4 equal 0. Okay, so this n and this n out, n square equal 4, this minus 4 we will exchange to right side. So n equal plus minus 2, because square root, both side square root. Yes, so our answer is n equal minus 2 or 2. Okay, thank you. Number 11 done. Number 12, here is 4 divide m square plus 3m plus 2 minus 3 divide m square plus 5m plus 6 equals 0. We will find the result of m. So first fraction 4 and this m square plus 3m plus 2 we will factorize. So m square plus 2m plus m plus 2. 2m plus m, it means 3m, and 2 times 1 means 2, minus 3 m square plus 3m plus 2m plus 6. 3 times 2 means 6, 3 plus 2 means 5 equal 0. Then 4 m common, so m plus 2 plus 1 common, again m plus 2, minus 3 m common, here is m plus 3 plus 2 common, m plus 3 equal 0, right? Then we can take common m plus 2, so here is m plus 1 minus 3 m plus 3 common, so here is m plus 2 equal 0. So LCM, here common thing is m plus 2 and uncommon thing is m plus 1 and m plus 3, right? So first m plus 2, m plus 1, so here we can write 4 times m plus 3 minus 3, here is m plus 3, m plus 2, so it will out, we can write m plus 1. Okay, then here is 0. So we can write this m plus 2, m plus 1, m plus 3, once we multiply by 0 it will become 0. So we can write here 4m plus 12 minus 3m minus 3 equal 0. So here is 4m minus 3m, it will become m, 12 minus 3, it will become 9 equal 0. So our answer is m equal minus 9. Okay, so this is a very good math for exam practice. Number 12, our answer is minus 9. So we already complete up to number 12. So we will try to complete another math, which one is number 13. Let's start. Here is 5 divided c plus 2 minus 5 divided c square minus 4 equals 0. We will find the result of c. So 5 divided c plus 2 will not change anything. 5 divide, here is c square minus 4. We can use a square minus b square theory. So we can write c plus 2 times c minus 2, right, equal 0. Then LCM. So common things is c plus 2 and uncommon is c minus 2. So here 5 times c minus 2 minus 5 equal 0. So we can multiply this one, so it will become 0, because if we multiply anything by 0 it will become 0. So here is 5c minus 10 minus 5 equals 0. So 5c equal, here is minus 10 minus 5, it will become minus 15. So once we exchange it will become plus 15. So once we divide both sides by 5, the result is c equals to 3. Okay, our answer is 3. So up to this video we complete. So I want to summarize. First video we will solve 1 to 6, second video 7 to 9, and this chapter third video has 10 to 13. This one done. So next video we will try to solve 14 to 16. 14 to 16 next video. So till you continue practice, no more today. Thanks for being with me. If you have any question, just put in your comments or anything at comment box. One more request, don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.